Copy. Yeah. Spanish mommies do by. Spanish mommies do bachata when I pull up in the spot top.
Hey guys, welcome back. How you guys doing? I just wanted to hop on real quick here and say welcome back to a quick Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys. But I wanted to wish you all happy holidays. Hope you've had a great Christmas and that everything's been going great and you guys have been hopefully relaxing with my son and my family, spending time with them. And I got in my Stitch Fix box right here, so I'm excited to go through it with you guys. I also wanted to give you guys a quick look at my tree. I think it's super cute. It's short and fat, little short squat little tree, but I love it. Excuse my my husband and son who are playing video games. Hi guys, welcome back with the Stitch Fix unboxing for January 2020. I just got it in the mail today and I'm excited to go through it with you. So I'll be basically just giving you a rundown on the items that got sent to me. I'll tell you how much they cost and I'll show them up for you, and then I will go back and record me trying some of the items on. Okay? So the first item that I have is the Chilean Button-Down top, and it's from Market and Spruce, and it's basically a plaid button-down shirt, and it is $44, and I got it in an extra large. And here is what it looks like. Button-down shirt, flannel. I actually like it. It looks pretty good. Very soft material. I like the color. It's sort of like a gray, a dark gray and white. I don't know if it's gonna fit exactly though. I think it might fit everywhere but the arms, because as you guys can remember, I have big arms. I always have issues with the arms. So okay, as I predicted guys, this shirt did not fit. Not only does it fit tight right here on my arms, look at this. Make a muscle and these things are gonna pop. Look at this. But if it's just tight all around in my breast and chest area. You guys see? This is an extra large. I probably could have done, I guess, with a 2X, but never taken a 2X before. But look at this. Ooh, I feel like the button will pop off and hit you on the eye. No for me, and a thumbs down. And then the next one that I have for you guys, Stitches and Stripes Olie distressed back cotton blend sweater. That one goes for $68. That's a little pricey for a sweater, so I doubt I'll be keeping it. And it's in a light gray color, which I don't tend to go for light gray or light anything color, so this one is also in an extra large. However, I do remember buying and keeping a black one that they sent me, similar to this, but a different material. It's like a very nice, like yarn kind of material, very soft. I do like the gray color, but I just don't normally wear it. But the back, I love the back. That would probably fit me pretty good. I don't think it looks bad. Do keep in mind that the back is shredded and will show whatever bra you're wearing. But I don't think I would be keeping it because it's just not really my style. I like the back. That part is my style. The color is not my style. But on to the next one. This is a no for me. Lysse, Lysse, Susie printed leggings. And that is in gray and extra large. It's these right here, and I got that in that one is $78. Why are leggings $78? Like literally, unless they come with their own suitcase and their own bonus free item, $78 is ridiculous to pay for any kind of leggings. But here they are. If you guys can see, look at it in the light. These are $78 leggings. I mean, I guess I could kind of see why. It's definitely nice material. It looks more for like work purposes. It's pretty thick. It's almost like a wool gray black herringbone kind of material feel to it. And it looks like it would be good for work. Leggings are Lysse, Lysse, however you say it. It's an extra large. But man, they have this high-powered tummy sucking in panel here in the top that looks like really thick and strong, and that's not going past my butt. Sorry, it's not gonna happen. So I'm not gonna even stress myself out trying these on. But this is the pink Clover Shenaya knit top, which is pretty cute. That is in dark gray, size extra large, and that is for $44. So if I like it, I definitely wouldn't mind keeping it. Oh, it's like a turtleneck sort of feel, like one of those funnel turtlenecks, which isn't bad, but I don't know. I don't tend to usually love turtlenecks because I already have a short enough neck as it is. As you guys can see, look, no more than like maybe 3, if I'm lucky, fingers. I don't need to shorten my neck any more than it already is. However, the material is super soft. Feels like a sweatshirt material. Looks like it runs big. Nice material. And it has pockets. I love pockets on any kind of top. Pockets. I really like this one. This is the turtle funnel neck that I said I might not like because it was so high up. Like this. Like a little turtle. Like a big little Egyptian princess. But it actually falls down. And it's quite flattering. That's my neck breathe, which is great. Has the pockets that I mentioned earlier. Okay. See, the fit is comfy. This is the extra large. I like this. Yay, we're keeping this one. Alrighty, that's the 4th one, and there should only be one other item left, which is, voila, the piece de resistance, which is, let's see, it is right here. See right there? This is the Michael Kors Joyce printed cargo jacket. Now this is for $128. I don't know about that. Size extra large, and color is olive. So how Stitch Fix normally works, in case you guys don't know, is you pay, I believe it's $20. I do it every other month. I don't do it monthly, so every other month. And then when they send you the whole, usually it's 5 items. Here the total cost for the 5 items is $360. But if you buy all 5 items, they give you 25% off, which is basically almost $90 off, which is great. And then they subtract the $20 that you normally pay for, which is the styling fee basically. Then it will come out to the whole total, if I want to keep all of it, $250. So all in all, to keep all 5 of them, that's not bad for like 5 items. However, I don't usually keep all 5. The most I've ever kept is maybe 3 items, and that's like the most. Normally I keep maybe 1, sometimes 2. And this is the Michael Kors jacket for $128. I actually really like it. It's camo, which, if you guys have been watching, is pretty much my favorite print. Nice light jacket, almost like a rain jacket. Ooh, it has a nice sort of velvety hood inside. And here it says Michael Kors, extra large. See if you can see the print here, but see how it's a camo, kind of like a dark brown, kind of with grayish mixed camo print. And it looks like it's either a rain jacket almost, or just like a thin jacket that you could wear. It says Michael Kors all in down right here. I don't know if you could see that. All in down with the zipper area. See right here? Yeah, right there. Michael Kors. Give you my final thoughts at the end, okay? So it's try-on time. I like this one a lot. However, I don't know if I'll be keeping this one. It's $128. It fits me, in my opinion, a little snug right here in my breast and arm area. I mean, it still fits. Inside, I'll tell you guys, inside is made out of this like soft velvety material. That feels super, super nice. But it's just, I don't know. I feel like it's just a little bit too snug for my taste. Open, it looks awesome. Yes. Need another jacket that fits me a little snug. I have plenty of those around. So I think this is like a yay, nay, I like it. I wish it was a little bit bigger. But I love the print. I love the kind of jacket it is. But I think overall it's a nay for me. That concludes my Fix unboxing video. I decided to only keep one item, which is the funnel neck shirt that you guys saw. I'll be keeping that. Since I already have a $20 credit that they charge me every other month, then I will technically only be paying $20 right now. You know, of course I paid the other $20 as the credit, but the balance will be $20. So that's not bad at all. I really like the Michael Kors camel print jacket. I just wish it wasn't as snug around my breast arm area, but I did like it a lot. And I think I could find something cheaper elsewhere if I'm looking for anything kind of camel print jacket as far as that. The wrap up, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for stopping by, for liking, subscribing as usual, and thank you. I hope to see you soon. I hope to see you doing another video, and let me know if you have any questions, comments, or any suggestions on anything you'd like me to film. Okay, bye. Thank you. Ciao.
Yeah, Spanish mommies do bachata when I pull up in the spot. Henny cool.